Hi guys, you're at Henwick level crossing in Worcester with Worcester. Right, the time now is 16:46 on Sunday the 8th of October 2017. This is for your 16:47, 1 Mike 14, London Midlands from Hereford to Birmingham New Street. You can see the sleeve has slid down. Don't know how that's happened, but here it's coming now. You can see it down the track. Now the barriers are a bit more closer to the track. You can actually see better down the track. That's the good thing about the current crossing. No, the barrier boxes have weathered a little. Have weathered a lot. It will cross over because I see the points are set. And we have 170, 635. 170, 635 to Birmingham New Street via Bromsgrove.